Hi everybody! This is Easter Sunday today, and I didn't have anything to do, and honestly didn't want to go for a walk with the dogs today because it was going to be extremely busy. So we stayed home, and I decided to tackle up the project of fixing the deck so the dogs and I can chill outside, and I'm not scared that they are going to jump off because the bottom of the railing was all rotted out. So I'll show you what I did, what I used, and just follow along for today's project. Okay, so what's happening with this deck, and this is like the covered portion of the deck, so it's not affected, but water goes down here and it just seeped through here, and then the whole bottom part rots. So then all of these railing pieces, they just fall off. So what I did is I installed recycled boards all along the bottom here, so it secures all of the dowel, I think it's called, and each one of them have a screw in it, so it's secured it. I found pretty much all of the dowel rungs, whatever, and I found pretty much all of them except for this one here. So I used a piece of 2x4 that I had left over that was fitting, and with my jigsaw I just kind of carved it. It's definitely not fancy, but at least it kind of fits the pattern, and it doesn't look like just a straight 2x4 piece in there. On that part here, all of them along here were all loose, so I straightened up the system here with a little piece of wood So now it's kind of moving at the bottom, but it's not moving like all the way, like balancing. So I did this all the way to the end, and even that little bit over here that was not done. So that was today's project. And yeah, I used an old, it still has a price tag on it, an old Black & Decker electrical drill, because guess what? I've left my cordless drill sitting outside in a sheltered area, thank God, all winter. And now it's on the charge, so I pulled out the old Black & Decker. And for this bit here that I did, it's an old skill saw, the jigsaw, sorry, to do this thing. No, another electric thing. And disclaimer, I did use my good old protection glasses in that video because I realized that I did not put them. So they were not on that video, but otherwise I was wearing them all the time. So people, wear your protection glasses. Before I did this here, this is what was holding the corner. Basically that old chair that the squirrels have eaten up, and a bunch of square wood here piled up in the corner, surrounded by these plant pots. So now the dogs are safe. They cannot get out anymore, because before, with missing rungs, they would just jump off the deck and then just scooter around. And then Shala has found that dirty bed that was Molly's bed before, and now she's resting. And now the only last thing I gotta do is fix this thing here, because the deck is kind of falling off that way. That's why one of the reasons why I reused all of that material, because it's not worth putting that much, because this whole deck needs to be redone. But for at least this moment, this summer, I'm going to be able to enjoy the deck with the dogs without like being scared that they're going to jump off. So yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and that was like a short episode of just a little tidbits that we have to do around the house. I got so many projects to do. I'm getting more familiar with my tools. I'm starting with something less powerful, and I'm gonna upgrade. I'm gonna be very honest, it's not my forte at this time. I kinda lost my skills with them. But I'm getting more familiar with them, and then as I go along practicing on smaller projects, I'm going to be able to increase it to the bigger tools, like a skill saw, like I was mentioning before, which was actually a jigsaw. Sometimes I get my tools wrong. So anyways, thanks for watching, and thanks for coming along today's episode over fixing up the deck railing. And I hope to put out another video pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, ask questions, whatever you need. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.